Tommy Lee detained in connection with illegal gun seizure.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, news is emerging that popular dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee, given name Leroy Russell, was taken into custody sometime today, Monday the 14th of December. Details surrounding the incident is still sketchy at this time. However, sources say Lee has been detained on reasonable suspicion of illegal possession of firearm. It is understood that a 9mm Glock pistol was seized during the incident in which the artist was arrested. Tommy Lee is expected to spend tonight in police custody. Reports are that he was arrested in the vicinity of a popular hotel in New Kingston by a police SWAT team. The entertainer is denying any wrongdoing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!